Hi, my name is Puka. Behind me is the nice Holland canvas called Colored. Colored is the new black. We have two different parts here. One is black and white, and the other one is colored. Colored is the actual way to see things, like in the rainbow, our beautiful world. And this part is what women want us to be. We all know that who control the information control the mindset of the common human. I'm going to describe this painting coming out of what we are, how we are expressing ourselves, and what goes on in our mind most of the time. I'm going to start with the family. A family of more than 5 members. There is always that misunderstanding of our differences, because every human is individual and unique. Even twins, they are individual and unique. And our earth, the flower, the plant, everything is individual and unique. Meaning it shouldn't be any comparison. Even the testing of the medicine does not work the same way depending on human. And that individuality is a beautiful thing. But the work of human are similar, like the computer, the camera, the phone, the television, everything, most of the things we are doing, we're making them in sale, meaning they just got different number, but the outlook is the same. Now, in family, like our mind is set to love what is glorious, to love what is beautiful from the outside. So those who are expressing themselves in family are always viewed as the great, the good, and the rest are like the bad. But in time, it never come true. Why? Because every human is a prophet, and only what is set from the beginning reveal himself at the end. We can observe in our world the philosopher, those who are highly educated, the doctor, and all the other things are just there to work. But people who are changing the world are those who never follow that curriculum lifestyle. From Stephen Jobs to whosoever you will take, who have the artists and people who are changing this world, they're doing that from the inner intuition and inner put from birth, the talent. So from family, coming from the same parent or bigger, larger family, we have that difference between us that people does not master. And it goes on from clan to tribe. The differences are supposed to be embraced. They are not made to separate us. And from those differences, the spirit of superiority is born. The spirit of superiority is not belong to one race only. No, it's found in most of the family on earth. It's found in most of the country on earth. It's found in different tribes. This tribe will think is better than that tribe. Those spirits are all over the world. And from those spirits, there are things like war, destruction, hatred, jealousy, envy. Most of those things are from those spirits. You see, in other countries, intermarriage is completely banned. Why? Because that tribe doesn't want to marry this tribe, and this goes on from century and century. But we live in a new world. Things are different today. So the aim of this painting is for the color who are some women are portrayed of today. They calling it's not black as bad anymore. Now it's people of color. But it's just to remind women that we have all color. We are all made of color. There is no human who can live on this earth who is transparent. We all have color, and the denunciation and the classification of some people, we need to start rethinking how to put everyone into the box and to describe us like we really are, depending on the color of the tone. And by managing that kind of approach, new approach in the globalization in our humanity, we will stop so many evil, like war, tribalism, the police killing people all over the world, and the hatred among human, because the inner body is the same, the blood is the same. And in fact, this is a solar panel color for the world. Sometimes people can be mocking at something just because of their ignorance, but every color is perfectly given and has its place on our universe. It's just for us to move out from our ignorance and to embrace reality, which is every human has a color, and we should describe ourselves depending of the color of our skin, which is this is brown. We got that when it comes to makeup. Every single color is well described, and it should be the same, so that we will move on from our ignorance in the time of globalization, where ignorance makes us hating ourselves and make others to be hated for something they don't even know the origin of it. And this is something that is still setting our world apart. When you look at war, it's not easy to start a war where people are in harmony. But that differentiation, because of one word, like in some of the part, you see a war because this part is speaking English, that part is speaking French. You see a war because those people, they call them Sunni, the other one, they call them, they give them another name. But these are made of ignorance, from separation, for things who haven't got any sense or neither any meaning, because we are the creator of all those things. So it's time for every government to sit down and to describe color as they really are, as every human has his own color. And for people as well to stand and to understand that no human is white, no human is black. And mostly, we are in the year 2000, we cannot call certain human bad, because in certain philosophy, black means bad. And it's important for us in this time of globalization to stop calling human bad, because it's made of ignorance. No one is perfect. No one is pure. Thank you. No one is bad.